Have you already guessed what kind of fruit I'm going to grow today? This is a very familiar fruit in everyday meals. It is not only easy to eat and refreshing, but also loved by many people for its natural beauty benefits. What is special is that even when grown in a small space, with one simple trick, the plant can still grow very well and produce a harvest that truly surprised me. The seeds I'm using today were selected from fully mature fruits from the previous crop. First, I soaked the seeds in warm water, made with a ratio of 3 parts hot water to 2 parts cold water for about 3 hours. This helps wake the seeds up more evenly and improves the germination rate. After that, I wrap the seeds in a moist cloth and incubate them for 1 to 2 days. When the seeds begin to crack and sprout, that is the best time to sow them. I reuse plastic cups that I already have to start the seedling. It is both economical and convenient for watching the plant's early development. At this stage, I choose the seeds with large, plump, healthy sprouts so the plants can grow stronger right from the beginning. After sowing, I simply water them gently and keep the growing medium evenly moist, and the seeds will have a very good environment to sprout. Next, I prepare about 6 containers like these to use as planters. I cut off the top part. And drill a few slightly larger drainage holes. This helps the cucumber roots stay more airy, reduces waterlogging, and lowers the risk of root rot later on. After that, I fill the containers with the loose, airy soil mix I prepared earlier. At this point, the planting base is ready. And now, I want to share with you a small but very useful tip. That is placing sliced banana stem underneath the root ball. Banana stem can hold moisture quite well, helping keep the root zone cooler on hot sunny days. Not only that, as it breaks down, it also adds organic matter to the soil, helping the plant grow more steadily and sustainably. After 7 days, my cucumber seedlings are ready to be transplanted. Just look at this root system, white, healthy, strong, and growing very evenly. With roots this healthy, the plant will establish itself in the container more quickly, grow more vigorously, and promise a very good yield. The tendrils have also started reaching out clearly. This is the time when I need to build a trellis for the plant. I choose this diagonal trellis style because it is neat, attractive, and very effective for saving space. At the same time, this type of trellis also helps the plant receive sunlight more evenly, stay better ventilated, and makes care and harvest much easier later on. Remember to secure the trellis firmly so the plant has stable support throughout its growing process. Now the trellis is complete. At the next stage, I add worm castings to encourage stronger stem and leaf growth. And just as expected, the plant grows very quickly. The leaves are lush, green, thick, and healthy, stretching out strongly, showing that the plant is developing with great vigor. Flowers are also starting to bloom in many places on the plant. This is a very encouraging sign showing that the fruit setting stage is about to begin. At some of the nodes, the first tiny fruits have already appeared. At this point, I trim away some of the older leaves to make the plant more airy, reduce pests and disease, and help it focus nutrients on fruit development. You can also see that the root system is now growing very strongly, even reaching close to the soil surface in search of more nutrients. So this is a very suitable time to give the plant more potassium, boron, and calcium. These nutrients will help the fruits grow faster, develop more evenly, and reduce the chance of misshapen fruits. And now, let's watch the cucumbers grow day by day. Finally, the most anticipated moment has arrived. When the cucumbers are firm and glossy, with bright green skin, and that perfect tender stage, that is also the ideal time to harvest them. Let's harvest them together and enjoy the final result.